Hey friends, welcome back to the joyful space where we explore dance and movement one playful step at a time. In today's episode, we're going to continue with a few more exercises to get our bodies warmed up. So, without further ado, hello, my name is Miss Jackie and welcome to Learn Like a Child. For this next one, I call it Froggies. We will begin lying on our tummies, hands flat, elbows out, chin resting on top of the hands, and your legs are nice and long. Now we're going to bend our knees. Then we're going to open our knees, and your feet are touching as if they're clapping, and let gravity pull down towards the floor so there's no pushing or forcing. Next, we unfold from the knees with the inside of the legs flat on the floor, including the feet. Then we're going to bring them back together and start all over again. Here we go. And bend the knees. And open, and stretch, and back together again. And bend the knees, and froggies open, and unfold, and legs back together again. For this next one, I call it Superman or Supergirl. We begin, hands on the floor, just like we did for the first one. And stretch your leg, and down, and long lifting, and down. Repeat, lift, and down, and long lifting, and down. The next part, stretch your arms in front, and we have lift one arm and down, the other arm and down. There's no forcing to lift. And up and down, and lift and down. Now we're going to add arms and legs. And stretch, hold, and down. Here, and lift, hold, and down. For this next one, we're going to curl side to side. So now we're going to bend our knees towards you and hug them underneath. So you have a nice, relaxed stretch. There's no pulling or forcing. Next, we're going to open both hands with palms facing up to the ceiling. And now we're going to roll to your side. And then back to the center. And then roll to the other side. And then back to the center. And hands underneath. A nice stretch again. And then feet down. And have a little rest. For this final exercise, I call it, I love myself. So we begin with a big arms open as if you're getting ready for a hug. And then you hug yourself tightly, feet flat on the floor. I love myself. Now give yourself a kiss. And then we'll open up for another big hug to prepare for another hug. And I love myself. And open up. And again. And I love myself. And open. And last hug. I love myself.